Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get Noobs on a micro SD card that you're looking to put into your Raspberry Pi. So you're going to want to start off with one of these micro SD cards, and for Noobs I recommend somewhere in the 8 to 32 gigabyte range. This one happens to be a 16 gigabyte one. You're going to want to connect this into your computer. I have one of these micro SD adapters. If you don't have one of these, you can also get one of these adapter things through a USB adapter as well. And that also just depends on if your computer has an SD card slot or not. If it doesn't have an SD card slot, it should at the very least have a USB port option so that you can go ahead and put your card in the adapter. Just slide it in there and make sure that it is not locked. You don't want to lock it down. So then once you do that, you slide it into your computer. Alright, so now I just put it in my computer and it opens up, and you can see I already have Noobs here on this card, but I'm going to be showing you how you get to this point. So you're going to need this thing called SD formatter. And I'll throw a link in the video description on where you can download this SD formatter. You're also going to need the zip file of the Noobs from Raspberry Pi's website. I'll throw that link in the video description as well. You're going to need to download both of these. So once you download the SD formatter, and it'll give you a folder where you need to install it from, and then once you install it, you open it up, and it'll ask you if you want to make changes. You say yes. Alright, so here it opens up, and right now my micro SD is in the E drive, so that's where it currently is at. What you're going to want to do is first click the options here, and then you're going to want to make sure the format size adjustment is turned from off to on, and then once you do that, you're going to click that format button, and that's going to format your micro SD card exactly how you want it to be, so that it's ready to get that Noobs on it. So once you do that, you're going to exit out of there, and then make sure you have this Noobs zip file. And what you're going to want to do is extract this zipped file so that it is extracted, and then once it's extracted, it'll have all these things in here. In here, you're just going to click Control A to select all of the files, and then make sure your micro SD card is opened. So I'm gonna open that in a new window. I already have all these files, but what you're going to want to do is just drag all these files over into your micro SD card and then drop them, and then once you do that, it'll transfer them over, and at that point you should be good to go. And at this point you can take the micro SD out of your computer and stick it into your Raspberry Pi, and then connect it to your TV or monitor, whatever screen output you want to do, so that you can go to the next step from there. So I hope this helped you guys out in some way. I'm making some Raspberry Pi videos to help with certain instructions on how to get things going. So if you want, you can go check those out on my channel. Thanks for stopping on in. If you have any questions, you can throw those down in the comment section. And I hope to see you in future videos, guys. Bye.